Hey guys, this video is gonna be a bit unusual. We're not just gonna practice English, we're also gonna cook lasagna and pick up some really cool and super useful English vocabulary. Italians, I apologize in advance, but I'm pretty sure everything will turn out perfecto. Let's get started. Alright, for a classic lasagna, we'll need the following ingredients. First of all, lasagna sheets. Then, ground meat, fresh. And guys, what is this? Milk, salt, and black pepper, tomato sauce, some veggies. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Carrot. 1, 2, 3. Onion. Some herbs, Parmesan cheese, my favorite, and wait, what is this? Flour, and one more, a secret ingredient. It is nutmeg, ground nutmeg. And there we have it. Wait, I forgot something. What do you think it is? Butter. И я выгляжу как доярка. Guys, don't forget to pause and rewind the video if you need to. Grab your notebooks and pencils and use the journaling method. Just listen carefully and write down useful words and phrases. Alright, besides the ingredients, we'll also need some tools. Guys, help me out there. First of all, we have these guys. These are knives. Then we have a fork and a spoon. Guys, what is this? It is a grater. And it's a spatula. What about this one? A frying pan. And a cutting board. Cut. What about this one? It's a baking tray. Baking tray. All right, and we're gonna cook everything on the, what is this? A stove. And an oven. I also need a sink because I have only one frying pan and we have 2 sauces. First, we need to make the bechamel sauce. Take a frying pan and put it on the stove. Let's add a chunk of butter and wait for it to melt. The butter melted. Now take flour, 2 tablespoons is enough, and gradually add it to our butter. Now we need to mix it well. The butter and flour have mixed well. Now it's time to add the milk. Okay, let's pour it in. By the way, guys, make sure that milk is warm, at least room temperature. Let's add a teaspoon of salt. And also half a teaspoon of nutmeg, Ooh. And stir it until it starts bubbling. Our sauce is getting thick, which means it's almost ready. Yay, bubbles! All right, let's turn it off and transfer it to the bowl. It's heavy. and so hot. Woo. Wow. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. My mouth is watering already. Sauce bechamel is ready. I need to peel this onion. As I mentioned before, lasagna has two sauces. The second one is called Bolognese, and for this, we need to chop the onion. Oh, okay, we chopped it on the cutting board, and now let's put it on the plate. Now we need to peel the carrot. We don't need to chop it, we need to grate it. We have a coarse grater and a fine one. We need a coarse grater. Okay, one more time. Coarse grater, fine grater. And then transfer it to the plate. I love carrot. Here we go, carrot, onion, cutting board, grater. The smell. Okay, we need to grate Parmesan cheese. This time, we'll use a fine grater, not a coarse one. Fine. Fine! Guys, what is this? And what is this? It's a plate and it's a bowl. Guys, if you are using a non-stick pan, make sure you stir only with a wooden or a silicone spatula. And here is my tip: if your non-stick pan has even one scratch, throw it away. It's dangerous. Food cooked in it becomes unhealthy. I'm using a stainless steel pan, so I can stir with a fork. Put the frying pan, already washed, on the stove, heat it up, and add butter. Now throw in the onion. And cook it until golden. Golden. Now add the carrot and fry them together for about 5 minutes. Time to add the ground meat, some salt, and black pepper. Stir well with a spatula so everything mixes together evenly. Now let's add the tomato sauce. And now be patient, let it cook through. After 5 minutes, the sauce is ready. Both sauces are ready. Now for the final steps. Take the baking tray. Ideally, it should match the size of the lasagna sheets. Ours is a bit bigger, which is also fine. Spread some bechamel sauce on the bottom. Spread the lasagna sheets. Then add some Bolognese sauce. On top, bechamel. and sprinkle cheese. You can add a mix of cheeses too. Basically repeat these layers until you run out of ingredients. The layers are ready. Now let's put our lasagna in the oven. Let's put lasagna in the oven. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake our lasagna for about 30-40 minutes. While it's cooking, let's review the vocabulary we learned.
Lasagna sheets, ground meat, onion, carrot, tomato sauce, butter, flour, milk, Parmesan cheese, ground nutmeg, black pepper, salt, fork, spoon, knife, spatula, cutting board, frying pan, grater, coarse grater, fine grater, plate, bowl, baking tray, stove, oven, sink.
Our lasagna is ready. Take a knife, cut it into pieces, put them on the plates, and garnish with herbs. It's best served with a glass of good wine, but that's up to you. Enjoy your meal. Write in the comments how you make lasagna and what are your favorite dishes. Share your recipes and maybe I'll cook one of them next time. See you soon.